Welcome to RC Street Shop's Product of the Week video. I'm Roger.
I'm Adam.
And today we're talking about the Dromida line of cars.
You like that? It's like fancy.
It's like you're swimming in the air.
I know. These are awesome. These are fantastic cars.
Great little cars.
I'm glad we're doing a video on these today.
Right. Dromida is a line that Hobbyco has come out with. It's their lower end, not lower end, but
inexpensive.
Affordable. Right.
Affordable is better.
They're affordable line of cars.
Because there's nothing cheap about these. That's
not.
the thing we want to really emphasize. These are some quality toys.
Right. These cars have all the features of their big brothers: oil-filled shocks, four-wheel drive, replaceable parts, a fast little 380 motor. These things will do over 20 miles an hour right out of the box.
Out of the box. And speaking of the box, so this is the cool thing. These guys right here, these are the initial line they released. These are about $100. Mm-hmm. These are a little more. They include LED lights. They came out a little later. Everything you need is in the box. Everything. You drop the $100, you get one of these base models, and you're ready to play.
Right. Double A's, battery charger, rechargeable battery, everything you need. These are really good quality little cars too.
They're definitely like the big, like a lot of the big stuff we have here in the shop. They're repairable, they're fixable. So if little Johnny decides to drive his into a wall and knock the wheel axle off, you can get that part and replace it and fix it.
Well, your average repair costs are about $10.
If that. Honestly, I think most of the Dromida stuff is actually a bit more, even cheaper.
Right, right. And the nice thing too is when you give it to little Johnny, you can control the speed. So when little Johnny's first starting, you can turn the speed down, and that way when he bangs into the wall,
it won't be fatal.
Right.
A lot of fun. Really, really just. It's amazing, the durability, the fit, the finish. These are as good as the big guys, and just a whole lot of fun. Like,
right.
I have that guy down there.
Perfect for your first RC car.
Absolutely.
So if some of you guys are not sure about a gift for somebody, and you want to get them an RC car, but you're not sure if they're going to like it or not, these Dromidas are perfect. $100, and they can grow with them. You can go brushless on them. There's a brushless line of these cars. Yeah. That do about 35 miles an hour out of the box, and will do over 40 if you put a reliable battery in them.
And honestly, for something this small, it's a little crazy.
It's crazy's good.
Like 20 full out, I find these little guys a little uncontrollable.
You can never have enough power.
Anyway, if folks are interested in stuff like this, where can they find it?
RC Street Shop.
Whoa!
What is this place?
I know. Where is this magical place where people can get all sorts of RC goodness?
It's at 5521 East Spring Street, Long Beach, California.
Wow, that sounds like heaven.
It is, on the corner of Spring and Bellflower.
All right, well, you should come visit us there. If you can't, you can keep up with us on social media. We're on Twitter, and it's RC Street Shop, all one word. We're on Facebook. Like the page. Check us out there.
Since I know you're watching this on YouTube, you need to hit the
subscribe button right there. Right there below
the video. Right where my feet are. Maybe it's more like my legs.
All right.
It's not creepy to have feet.
Your feet are creepy.
Well, they're...
All right. We'll see you next week.
They're big.
Bye.